Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Snails and crabs are some of the interesting creatures that call the mangrove swamp home. Investigate their habitats as you hike Ancole Nature Center's Boardwalk Trail. Witness the power of family unity at Hands on Broward's Family Volunteer Day at Long Key Nature Center. On Saturday, families will be restoring the natural habitat, removing weeds and invasive plants. This weekend's Nature Lecture Series at Fern Forest Nature Center will focus on those slithery, scaly snakes. Enjoy your weekend. If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend.